Okay, this is homework for Tuesday, February 16th. You should have already done the problem in your new math book, and you're here to correct it. So A says to complete the table to the right of the graph. So it's asking you to take the points from here and put them into the table. My strategy for this was to start with the lowest number on the x-axis. So we have diameter of the cookie, which is basically how round it is. The diameter is from here to here. And then number of chocolate chips in the cookie. So when I look at diameter, looks like the first set of dots is at 3. So when it's a diameter of 3, I see there was a cookie with 5 chocolate chips. And then when it's 3 again, there was a cookie with 6. And then at 3 again, there's a cookie with 8. Okay, so it's like graphing backwards. You have the points and you're writing them down. So at a diameter of 4, we had 5 chocolate chips. That's a 4. And at a diameter of 4, there were 12. Okay, now at a diameter of 5, there was 7. And a diameter of 5, there was 10. And again, a diameter of 5, there was 13. Okay, now diameter of 6, it looks like there's 4 of them that had a diameter of 6. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those in. And then there was 10 and 12, 10, 12, 13, and 15. So make sure that your table is correct. If it's not, then make sure you correct it. Now B says, is the number of chocolate chips in a cookie a function of the diameter of the cookie, why or why not? I'm going to answer that on the next page, but I'm going to explain it right here. So it's asking if it's a function, and a function means that for every one input in x, there's an output for y. So here if I look, an input for x is 3, the output was 5, but then I have an input of 3 again, and the output is 6. A function means that there's only one connection. So it's only possible that if the diameter is 3, there's 5 chocolate chips, no matter what. Every single cookie with a diameter of 3 would have 5 chocolate chips. But in this case, that's not correct. Because here, the diameter of 3, there are 3 of them, and they all had different numbers of chocolate chips. So it cannot be a function. So I'm going to answer that on the next page. No, it is not a function because for an input in diameter, which is the x, there were different outputs for number of chocolate chips. Which was the y. And if it was a function, I would see for every input in x, there was only one output for y. Okay, so that is why it is not a function. Alright, for your secret message, I want you to try to explain in your own words what a function is. And putting I don't know or no answer is not okay. Even if it's the wrong answer, that's fine, but you need to attempt and somehow to tell me what a function is in your own words. You can look back in your book. There's several explanations of a function, and look at all the examples in the book as well. Okay, see you tomorrow.